If you are wondering if you can pay with the Google Pixel 10, then the answer is yes, you can easily pay with this phone. In order to do so, first we can make sure that NFC is enabled. So we can open Settings, choose Connected Devices, open Connection Preferences, and then over here we have NFC. We want to make sure that this option is enabled, and I can also recommend you using this option, Require Device Unlock for NFC. Here we also have the default wallet app, so in my case I'm going to use Google Wallet. And now we need to set up the Google Wallet app. So you should be able to find it pre-installed in the app drawer. However, if for some reason you don't have it, then you can just open the Play Store and you can search for Wallet app. And of course, Google Wallet is the app that we are looking for. Then we can open it, and you can either press Add Payment Card here or this plus button in the bottom right corner, and you can choose Payment Card in this place. Afterwards, you should be able to scan the details of your card, and if needed, you can also enter details manually by tapping on this button at the bottom of the screen. And once you fill everything in, you can press Save and Continue, and then just follow the rest of the instructions that you might see on the screen in order to add your payment card. And that's pretty much all. Your phone is now ready to be used as a payment method. And in order to use your phone for that, of course, first you have to make sure that the NFC is enabled, and secondly, you want to make sure that your phone is unlocked if you enabled that option for the requirement of the screen to be unlocked. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.